It's 10 o'clock on Saturday morning. It means only one thing. It's time for breakfast. As the gas flows through the burner, it is invisible and has a distinct smell.
It stinks.
When we light the gas, it becomes visible, gives off light, produces lots of heat, and the smell goes away.
So long, Stink Town!
Burning the natural gas also produces new gases, including carbon monoxide, water vapor, and hydrogen. It also requires oxygen in order to burn. The products of this reaction also include heat and light. Burning the natural gas is an example of a chemical change. Methane comes in, but it doesn't leave as methane. It leaves as a bunch of other gases. But it's breakfast time, and I'm more interested in eating than I am talking about this chemistry.
I need my strength.
When we put the frying pan on the burner, the metal starts out pretty cold. We need to wait for a few minutes for the pan to warm up. The pan is much hotter now than it was before. The pan's change in temperature is an example of a physical change. The pan is warmer and slightly larger because metal expands when it gets hot, but it's still just a pan. When the egg hits the pan, it immediately starts to sizzle and pop. The egg white turns from clear to white, which makes sense given the name. It also starts to smell much better. When heat is added to the raw egg and liquid water inside the egg, the heat causes the water to evaporate into water vapor. The proteins in the egg also realign to form a whole new substance, cooked egg. The wonderful smell is another product of this reaction. This is another example of a chemical change. But by far, my favorite part of this chemical reaction is the way it tastes delicious. As where before, it tasted not delicious. And where exactly do these eggs come from? That'll just have to be a lesson for another day.